Welcome everybody, it's Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. Let's do a little prep work. Let's get into a Bouquet Garni. Please check the description below for a list of the ingredients. We're going to start off with the leek leaf. We're going to use the green part of the leek. Grab that paring knife, give this guy a little bit of a trim. Grab a bay leaf, throw it on in. Then grab some stems of parsley. Then get a celery stem with a few leaves on it, throw it on in. And last but not least, a few sprigs of thyme. Grab some cooking twine, tie that bad boy up. Now for a little secret on how to tie this bad boy up. Make sure you do 2 to 3 little twists of the cooking twine whenever you're wrapping it up. This will keep the knot cinched and nice and tight. And that's it, a Bouquet Garni. Hey, thanks for watching. Please check the description below for a list of the ingredients. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe. It does help support the channel. And you know what? I'll see you next time.